Love, real love, is a choice you committed to make and committed to continue to make for the rest of your lives together. For every challenge you face, for every argument you wind up in, every joy you experience, choose each other, choose your marriage.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I've dreamed of this day since I was a little girl. I didn't know exactly what you'd look like, but I'd always hoped you'd be loving, kind, and handsome. My younger self would be happy to know that I found a man who is all that and much more. You make me feel safe and loved every day. I have found my soulmate, and you are everything I've dreamed of and more. I can't promise you the rest of our lives will be easy. In fact, I can promise you it will only be more challenging. As long as I have you by my side, I know we'll be okay. Forever will never be enough time with you, so I promise to cherish each and every day we have together. I promise I will encourage you, grow with you, laugh with you, and cry with you. I promise to stand by your side through good times and bad. I promise to explore and adventure with you. And I promise to be your best friend, lover, and companion. And lastly, I promise I will love you a little more every day for the rest of our lives. Love you.
Love you so much. Dear Kiara, the day we've been waiting for is finally here. I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle, hold your hand, and say I do to the love of my life. You are my best friend, and I can't begin to express how lucky and proud I am to be your husband. It's hard to put into words how much you mean to me. You are my rock and the piece of my life that makes me whole. For the rest of our lives, I promise to love you every day like it's our last, through the good times and the bad. I promise to make you smile and laugh even when you're having your toughest of days. I promise to kiss you every day as we do today. I promise to celebrate our victories together and to learn from our defeats. I promise to travel the world with you. I promise you my unconditional love, tenderness, and underlying devotion, to not ask you to be more than you are and to love you for being you. I promise to spend each day working to become the truest version of myself for you and for our family. I promise to love you as your husband forever and ever, and to know that as we write each chapter of our lives together, it'll be the greatest story ever told. I love you so much, Kiara. You're my world and always will be. Now let's go get married.
Oh.
Very nice.
Kiara and Hayden, it's been a joy to watch your relationship deepen. May your love deepen as time passes.
Now, pronounce you husband and wife. You make
May
us
you seek and find joy in each other and the world around you.
Mr. and Mrs. Camerzell.
And may you build a marriage that lasts a lifetime.